Or you enjoyed the chicken Manchurian, sir?
Hello, boss.
Yes, sir.
Chicken? No, I am vegetarian.
Correct,
it was
sir.
gobi Manchurian.
Sir, what we are served yesterday is chicken, sir, not gobi, sir.
Hello, Guru.
Yes, sir.
ಏನಮ್ಮ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ
Think, sir, I'm only saying what we are served, sir. You are eaten chicken yesterday. How is
When
the
I order
experience?
gobi Manchurian, how will you give chicken Manchurian, you bloody rascal?
Chicken, sir, because we are 100%.
No, because I am 100%. That is not my problem. That is your problem. When I had order, I said vegetarian because I am a vegetarian.
Sir, yesterday you are eaten chicken, sir. Why are
No,
arguing
man,
on
I am
that?
not eating chicken. I am eating gobi. You bloody fool. You bloody dirty hotel.
Sir?
If you are ordered means I will order your wife. You will give your daughter.
Boss, please don't use such a language, boss. You are
ನಾನು ಧರ್ಮ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ ನನ್ನ ಮಗನೇ ಥೂ ನಿಮ್ ಹೋಟ್ಲ್ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಹಾಕ
Sir, what-
ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ ಬೋರಿಯಲ್ ಸಾಯಿರೋ ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳ
Sir, why are you using such a language, sir?
ಸಚ್ಚ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಚಿಕನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ ಥೂ ನನ್ನ ಮಗನೇ
Order for chicken, that's why you are given the chicken, sir.
ಯಾರು ಚಿಕನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ಸಾಯಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಲ್ಲಿ
Sir, no, anyway, sir, you are eaten chicken, sir. How was your first time eating chicken experience? Tell us that, sir.
ಬ್ಲಡಿ ಸ್ಕೌಂಡ್ರಲ್
Yes, sir.
ಮಾನ ಮರ್ಯಾದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದ್ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಬಂದೆ ಬ್ಲಡಿ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ